Welcome to my new video NCERT solution for class 11th English Hornbill Discovering Truth the Sega Continues चैप्टर नंबर 3 है। इसके पहले चैप्टर नंबर फर्स्ट एंड चैप्टर नंबर सेकंड हमने उसका सॉल्यूशन आपको प्रोवाइड कर चुके हैं। मैं प्लेलिस्ट बना दूंगा, प्लेलिस्ट बन चुकी है, वहाँ जाके आप इसका वीडियो देख लीजिएगा। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का लेक्चर। ए अंडरस्टैंडिंग द टेस्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, गिव रीज़न फॉर द फॉलोइंग। First, King Tut's body has been subjected to repeated scrutiny. Answer है the mummy of King Tutankhamun Tutankhamun has earned worldwide fame for the reach it was brewed with. There is also speculation about the manner of his death and his age at the time of death. Hence, King Tut's body has been subjected to repeated scrutiny. Second है Howard Carter's invasion was resistant. आंसर है हॉवर्ड कार्टर्स invitation was resistant because he used unscientific method and illegitimate ways. He was focusing more on treasure and less on cultural and historical aspects. Third है Carter had to chisel away the solidified resins to raise the king's remains. Answer है Carter found that the ritual resins had hardened 100. The result was that Toot's body had been commented to the bottom of his solid gold coffin. Proper force could not move the resins. Even the scorching sun failed to loosen the resins, so he got the resin chiseled away to raise the king's remains. Fourth है Tut's body was buried along with gilded treasures. Answer है the pupil was ancient Egypt believed in resurrection of the dead. Their kings were extremely rich, so Tut's body was buried with gilded treasures. Their internal brilliance was meant to guarantee resurrection. Things out of everyday use were also buried with the king. The boy king changed his name from Tutankhaten to Tutankhamun. कैसे कैसे नाम है, पढ़ना तो पड़ेगा। आंसर Tutankhamun means living image of Amun. He was a major good and ancient Egypt king Amenhotep IV मतलब fourth, who changed his name to Akhenaten, sames the image of Amun and got his temples closed. Tut oversaw a resurrection of old ways. He changed his name, expressed his belief in Amun. Question number second है list the deed that led Ray Johnson to describe Akhenaten as Vaki. Answer है Akhenaten means the servant of Aten, i.e. the sun dick. He moved the religious capital from the old city of the Thebes to the new city of Akhetaten, known now as Amarna. He smashed the image of Amun, a major god, and closed his temples. The deeds led Ray Johnson to describe Akhenaten as Vaki. क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड का सेकंड क्वेश्चन है व्हाट वर द रिजल्ट ऑफ द सीटी स्कैन। आंसर है द रिजल्ट ऑफ सीटी स्कैन वर क्वाइट इनकवरेजिंग. 1700 digital X-ray images in cross-section were created. A gray-headed head appeared on screen. Neck vertebrae were quite clear. The image of hand, ribcage, and skull were equally bright. The relieved that nothing had gone seriously wrong with Toots' body. इसके बाद नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट डू यू थिंक द रीज़न फॉर द एक्सटिंक्शन ऑफ लैंग्वेज? आंसर, अ लैंग्वेज बिकम एक्सटिंक्ट व्हेन इट यूज इज restricted to certain classes of categories of people. Secondly, the harshness of rules and lack of flexibility in usage also contribute to the extinction of language. क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड है, डू यू थिंक इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट टू प्रिजर्व लैंग्वेज? आंसर है, आई थिंक इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट टू प्रिजर्व लैंग्वेज. Various languages are the vehicle of thought and medium of interaction between the users of that language and the outside world. A language has intimate connection with the live culture and civilization of the people and reflect their thinking. क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड है, इन वाट वेज डू यू थिंक वी कुड हेल्प प्रिवेंट द एक्सटिंक्शन ऑफ लैंग्वेज एंड डेलिकेट्स? आंसर है, सर्टन स्टेप मस्ट बी टेकन टू हेल्प प्रिवेंट द एक्सटिंक्शन ऑफ लैंग्वेज एंड डेलिकेट्स. द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट इज द इन कवरेज इट यूज अ लैंग्वेज thrives as long as it is used by measure should be taken to propagate the language and delegates used in certain areas. The help of interparents may be provided for interaction between native users of language delegated and non-users. Certain in incentives in the form of stipends, scholarship, preference in job, etc. may also provide handy in attracting the youth towards language and delegates which are on the work of extension star patrons can also help in the pre- preservation of language. सो थैंक यू. इतना लंबा आंसर है लेकिन याद करोगे तो एक झटके में हो जाएगा. अगले वीडियो जल्द आएंगे. इसके पहले 2 अध्याय हमने करा चुके हैं, वाले वीडियो देख लीजिएगा जाकर. अगला वीडियो कल शाम को डल जाएगा. जिसने चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया सब्सक्राइब कर देगा. इसी तरह हम हिंदी, इंग्लिश, सामाजिक सभी के आपके लिए लाते रहेंगे.